Now the war enters its fourth year, 1918. German submarines continue to patrol the Atlantic, but now the U-boat has a new enemy, a deadly enemy. Armed with experience and new planes, Naval Aviation goes on the offensive. The target? German submarine pens, where the U-boat can be attacked before it can threaten Allied shipping. To spearhead the attack, the Northern Bombing Group is formed, consisting of Navy and Marine Corps units flying with the Allies. Taking part in its operations is Francis Mulcahy, a Marine aviator.